Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are here with a career counseling workshop for your better future, for your better life. So you could select a better path or better way for your future life. So let's see what is in career counseling. Career counseling means if you have a right path, if you have a right field or right subject, so you will become a successful graduate and you will be successful in your future life. Actually, what is career counseling? Career counseling is a service to help students find the right professional path. Career counselors, also referred to as a career coaches or job coaches, provide guidance. Normally, we have different experts related to different fields who can guide the students that which one is the right path, which one is the right field for them. Or the teachers are the best person who guide their students that which one is the right path and which field is suit for the students. So teachers are the best counselors, career counselors as well. You can see this picture. In this picture there is a student and who is confused. You can see there's a student who is confused and that student is just past class 10, and it is happened all of us. And I would say that majority of us face this situation, confused that which stream is good, what to do after 10 class. My friend is doing that, my friend is doing biology, my friend, one of friend is doing commerce and other one is doing arts and one is doing computer. So what do I choose? So again, this picture is showing that you are confused which subjects to choose: computer science, mathematics, biology, commerce, arts, vocational. Which subjects has a lot of jobs? Which subjects has a lot of demands of job? So why do I choose that subjects now? Let's see next. Another a diagram picture, you can see there is a student or a person that is confused. What am I really going to do? Can I really get there? If I choose a path in so many paths, for example, I choose a path to become a doctor. I select a medical. So I could succeed in the medical field. I could become a successful doctor, or I could become a successful engineer, or an architect, or a mechanical engineer. So there are so many questions came into my mind. And am I sure of the route? Route is the correct. What are the different risks? Are my subjects are appropriate, and so on? There are so many questions came into the student's mind. And you can see in this picture there is a tree, and I would say this tree is a career tree, and career tree could be strong if it has a different branches: success, education, learning, hardworking abilities, innovative qualities, and so on. These are all directly and indirectly connected to a career. All branches are connected indirectly and directly, I would say, with the career tree. So it is very important that you must have these qualities to become a successful career in your future life. Now come to the computer science or information technology field. Because I belongs to computer and information technology field, that's why I would suggest you some IT fields, some IT professions in this career counseling session. So you can see there is a picture in front of you, and there is different fields related to the computer: a programmer, a designer, a photographer, and a copywriter. Except these, there are so many other computer fields. Not only these fields, there are so many and very important fields nowadays related to the computer information technology. And I am here to share you about those fields. Number one is system analyst. It looked like a very complex word, so most of us could not understand who is system analyst, what are system analysts. So I would explain that who is system analyst. A system analyst is a person who use analysis and design technique to solve business problems using information technology. In a simple word, I would say that a person who improve the business and solve the business problems by using information technology. That person is called system analyst. Now move towards the next field of the computer science in this career counseling session. That is web developer. Who is web developer? Most of them know very well about the web developer, and some of them don't know about who is web developer and what did he do. So web developer is a programmer who engage the development of World Wide Web. Or simple words, I would say that web developer is a person who develop different web pages, different websites by using different programming languages related to the web pages, that XML, PHP, Java, applets, HTML5, clouds, etc. So that person is web developer, a very common field nowadays in IT. Next one is network administrator. Who is the network administrator? Network administrator is the person designated in an organization whose responsibility includes maintaining computer infrastructure related to the networking. Or we can say that a network administrator is responsible to control the overall networking operation communication of an organization. So that person is network administrator. And nowadays, each and every organization, school, university, college, hospital have a network system, and there is a main networking uh, person who is responsible to control the overall operation. So that is the network administrator. Now move towards the next. That is database administrator. Who is database administrator? Or simple words, we can say DBA. DBA is a specialized computer system administrator who maintain a successful database environment by directing or performing all related activities to keep the data secure. A person that is responsible to keep the data secure, the manipulation of data, the retrieval of data of any organization. The next one is towards the next profession that is related to the computer field. That one is a programmer. All of you uh, are well aware about the programmer, that we have listened that word many times. Programmer, a person who write programs in different programming languages. So why do that person develop programs? Because programs are the softwares, and softwares are used to perform different tasks on our computer and our gadgets, mobile phone, tablets, etc. So all are due to the programmer, because programmer develop new programs and we use those programs to perform different tasks. So very important profession related to computer field, that is programmer. And the next one is biometrics. What is biometrics? Biometrics is a new field. So first of all, you have to well aware about the biometrics. Actually, what is biometric? Biometric are the biological measurements, physical characteristics that can be used to identify individuals, fingerprints mapping, face recognition, and retina scans. All are the form of biometric technology. So a person who is experts to manipulate, to handle these types of fingerprint mapping, facial recognition, and retina scans, so that field is related to the biometric, and it is a new field of computer science. Next one is graphics designer. Graphic designer means a person that design a different kind of graphics, animations, animated cartoon characters, animated movies. So that person is graphics designers. And they are used to special type of digitizers, special types of tablets to design different types of graphics. You can see in a picture, a person is designing a kind of a graphics on a tablet by using its styler. And the next one is hardware engineer. That is very common. Hardware engineer or BE, Bachelor of Engineering, that is related to computer hardware, to manufacture, to design different kind of circuit boards, ICs, communication devices, and so on. A teacher, you can see, who is sharing a kind of a circuit board that he designed with their students. That person is called hardware engineer. And other one is called telecommunication engineer. That is very common nowadays. Telecommunication engineer, who is that person? That person is responsible to control the overall operation by the mobile phone or mobile communication. In the background, there is a person who is operating, handling all kind of communication through the mobile phone or the cellular phone. So these types of communication is only dependent on the telecom sector. And the person who work in the telecom sector are called telecommunication engineers. Now come to the next one, that is IT computer courses. So what are different universities and which are different universities names who offer these courses of computer science of IT? In Pakistan, private and public universities offer these courses. All major cities of Pakistan, BE Bachelor of Engineering, BS Bachelor of Science, BIT Bachelor of Information Technology, BTech Bachelor of Technology, BM Bachelor of Multimedia. So these are the different fields that you can choose, and the university offer different graduate courses and master's courses, though you have to select anyone which suit you. So I would advise all of you that you have to choose the right path that suit you. Only depend on you. Be confident and select the right path. In this way, you will be successful in your career life. Hope that in the today's session, you will learn something, you understand something, and I hope that you will implement in your future life. In the next session, we will discuss something new related to the students. Until that, Allah Hafiz. I am signing out.